What's going on, guys? It's Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Painfully Honest Advice. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys my top 10 holdings within my portfolio. Now, if you're new to this channel, I do focus on my dividend growth portfolio as well as I have growth stocks in there as well. I call it my bucket list portfolio. Basically, this is a long-term portfolio that I'm basically looking to go ahead and hold on to for at least the next 20 years. But the way I go ahead and invest in the stock market is use a long-term approach. Focus on companies that I believe in, companies that I want to go ahead and hold on to, that I see the potential to go ahead and grow for at least 5 years. I don't like to go ahead and day trade in the stock market, which I've done in the past, but made a lot of money. I've lost a lot of money. At this point, it's going to be more focused around building me that growth over time, as well as making some additional income through the dividends that some of these stocks are going to go ahead and pay us. Now, if you like any of these topics, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. And guys, don't forget to smash that like button. But we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my portfolio on M1 Finance. Basically, this is called my bucket list portfolio. This portfolio is currently sitting at $92,700. This is actually the highest that this portfolio has ever hit. And just in the last day, guys, we made about $392 in this portfolio. Now, I like M1 Finance because you can go ahead and have target allocations towards investments that you want to go ahead and invest. As far as if you want to break it up into different sectors, I like to go ahead and invest in every single sector within the stock market. So the way I have it broken up is I have it broken up into the 11 different sectors in the stock market, as well as I have a growth pie here. If you are interested in M1 Finance, I will leave an affiliate link down in the description where you do get $10 to go ahead and sign up with them. But now, jumping into the top 10 stocks, in total I have about 45 stocks in this portfolio, but I'm just going to go ahead, share with you guys my top 10, because these are stocks that I'm going to be investing in more and more into this coming year, and these are going to be the biggest stocks and the biggest values in this portfolio, with the first one being Apple. Now, in Apple, I currently have a value of $11,116. As far as the stock goes, guys, this is my largest holding in this portfolio. The stock, I am up 72%, or $3,279 in the stock. Now, if we just go ahead and look at Apple, just in the last 1 year, the stock is actually up 80% just overall in this last year. And I love the stock because they also pay out a dividend. This is a technology stock that's paying out a dividend as well, so it's the best of both worlds. It's not that large of a dividend, it's 0.62%, but at the same time, you're building some additional income and just holding on to the stock, guys. I do believe in the next 1 to 5 years, and Apple recently was talking about coming out with a car, which is rumors at this point, but this company makes a ton of money already, and anything that they do, because they have such a strong ecosystem, is going to just benefit them. So I do see the stock growing in the next 1 to 5 years. So this is going to be the first stock. The second stock and the second holding within this portfolio, which is going to be the largest holding, is going to be Realty Income Corporation. Now, Realty Income, I currently have a value of $6,243. I'm up 17% in the stock, or $738. Now, with Realty Income, this is considered a real estate investment trust. Basically, what that means is with real estate investment trust, these are companies that go ahead and invest in real estate. But to be considered a REIT, you do have to go ahead and at least pay out 90% of your earnings to your shareholders in a form of a dividend. So with this company, they do pay out a dividend as well. The dividend is actually a pretty decent dividend. It's 4.53%. Now, Realty Income is currently trading at $62.17. With this pandemic, guys, this company got hit, and slowly this company is starting to climb back. They have been trading sideways for the last month or so, but I do believe that this company is going to go back to, within this next year, or I would say probably within the next 2 years, back to their $76 target price that they had and that they were trading at before the pandemic. So I do believe that this is trading at a discount right now, and the current stock is down, if we look at the last 1 year, 15.56%. But now, just jumping into the third one, the third company is going to be within the growth pie in this portfolio, and this is one of the newer companies that I actually added within this portfolio, and this is going to be Tesla. Now, Tesla, I'm actually up 34%, and I just invested in the stock in the last quarter. Now, I'm up $913 in Tesla, and my current value is $5,129 in Tesla. Now, guys, if we just look at Tesla's share price, just overall in the last week here, Tesla did go ahead and trade above $700. So currently they're trading at $705. Overall, in the last year, the stock has been on a tear. The stock is up 743% just overall in the last 1 year. Now, I'm a believer in the stock. I actually own a Tesla Model S P100D. Love this car. I will say, when you go ahead and compare this car to other cars, on the road, it makes other cars look like they're from the dinosaur age. I'm just being honest, guys. Teslas have reinvented the way that we look at cars. But now, jumping into the next one, and the fourth one on the list is gonna be Nvidia. Now, Nvidia in my current portfolio is currently, the total value is $4,287. I am up 19% in the stock, or $292. Nvidia is basically a semiconductor company. Tesla's actually use Nvidia as the chip in their cars as well. Nvidia is really focused on AI. They have multiple different deals with some of the largest companies out there. They're also focused in the gaming world. They have what they call the GeForce platform, which is their gaming platform. So Nvidia currently, guys, is trading at $522 a share. In the last 1 year, this company is up 121%. And I love this company because they also pay out a dividend as well. With Nvidia, as far as their dividend goes, they're currently paying out a dividend of 0.12%. But again, for a semiconductor company to pay out a dividend that's actually focused aggressively on growth, this is, to me, one of the best companies when it comes down to semiconductor companies that's really focused on AI. Now, just jumping into the next stock. The next stock is gonna be Store Capital. Now, with Store Capital, this is another real estate investment trust. Just like Realty Income, with Store Capital, they go ahead and invest in plazas. They're basically a commercial landlord, but they focus on smaller tenants and smaller plazas, unlike Realty Income that focuses on bigger tenants like Walmarts and Costco's, where with Store Capital, they're focused more on the day-to-day small business owner that wants to go ahead and open up a business. But this company, guys, has a lot of real estate property. They're basically one of the largest companies out there when it comes down to commercial real estate. So with Store Capital, my current value in the stock is $4,051. I'm up 31%, or $630. Now, if we look at the stock, it's going to be a similar situation to Realty Income, where the stock is down 8.75% overall in the last 1 year. But as we can tell here, just looking at the trend and looking at the chart, the stock is slowly climbing back to where it was trading at prior to the pandemic. Prior to the pandemic, the stock was trading at right around $38, $39, and we're currently trading at $33.98. Plus, the stock also pays out a dividend. The current dividend is 4.24%, or $1.44 per share. So I like the stock from the income basis, and because real estate's never gonna go anywhere, I love investing in real estate stocks. Now next, jumping into the next stock, which is going to be a growth stock, and that's going to be Peloton. Now Peloton, I'm a believer in. I believe their ecosystem is very strong, and it's only going to get stronger. Peloton actually has a retention rate on their subscription app of 96%, which is amazing. Currently, Peloton, guys, has a current value in my portfolio of $3,386. I'm up 57% in the stock, or $830. Additionally, Peloton is currently trading at $151 per share. And overall, in the last 1 year, this company is up 434% as far as the overall returns you would have got just by investing in this company. That's 4 times the returns, which is amazing. So this is a growth stock that I recently added in this portfolio. I am focused on developing my growth stocks in the portfolio because I'm not looking to retire for at least the next 20 years. I believe stocks like this have a lot of upside potential to go ahead and grow in 2021 and 2022. But now, if we go ahead and jump into the next stock here is going to be Microsoft. Now, Microsoft is one of the pillars when it comes down to the technology sector. They have multiple different ways that they go ahead and make money. But with Microsoft in the current portfolio, I have a value of $3,370. Up 25%, or $428 in Microsoft. But Microsoft in the next 2 years, I believe, will go up a lot more. So right now, Microsoft is trading at $222. This is a stock that I'm going to be heavily investing in this next year. But overall, the 1 year returns on the stock are about $41. But now, guys, just jumping into the next stock. The next stock is going to be Nextera Energy. Now, Nextera Energy is basically my favorite company when it comes down to utilities. Basically, Nextera Energy focuses on renewable energy and focuses on solar energy. They're ahead of the curve when it comes down to that, and they're the largest company that's focused around renewable energies. Nextera Energy, the current value in this portfolio is $3,049. I'm up 25%, or $336 in this company. And if we go ahead and look at their stock price, Nextera Energy is currently trading at $77 a share at the time of me recording this video. And Overall, after the pandemic, the stock is now hitting new highs. They're up 27.44%. Plus, guys, this company pays out a dividend. Their dividend yield is 1.81% or $1.40 per share. So I like this company. This is one of my favorite companies within the utility sector. And now if we go ahead and jump into the ninth stock, the ninth one on this list is going to be AT&T. Personally, AT&T in the communication sector pays great dividends. In my current portfolio, AT&T's value is $3,042. Overall, in this portfolio, this is probably one of the stocks that I'm actually down on. I'm down 0.31% or $6.36. In total, I've actually earned $81.20 in dividends in this stock. And if we look at AT&T, this stock has literally been trading sideways. And currently, AT&T is trading at $28.76 per share. But overall, in the last 1 year, they're actually down 26.41%. But like I said, the nice thing is the dividend yield. They're paying a dividend yield of 7.23% or over $2 a share. So for every share you own, you're making $2 in this stock as their dividends. But this is going to be the ninth stock and the ninth heaviest value stock in this portfolio. And now, guys, the final stock here is going to be in the industrial space, and this is going to be waste management. Now, with waste management, my current value is $2,614, or my total gains are 16% or $203. Basically, with this company, I mean, this is an industrial company that is never going to be going anywhere because we're always going to have waste, and this is the cream of the crop, and they are the biggest company when it comes down to waste products and recycling products. So with this company, the current stock price, they're trading at $117.93 per share. But again, guys, since the pandemic, the stock has been slowly climbing back up. So they are up overall in the last 1 year, 3.48%, and they're paying a dividend yield of 1.85% or $2.18 per share. So these are gonna be the top 10 stocks within this portfolio and within my bucket list portfolio as far as the overall value goes. Now, guys, stock market has hit new highs, and it is hitting new highs every single day. So if you are focused on investing in the stock market, be cautious. Invest what you can basically afford to go ahead and invest in dollar cost average. But thank you guys for watching this video. If you are interested in investing with M1 Finance, I will leave an affiliate link down in the description below. Plus, if you do want to go ahead and get some free stocks, we will actually offer 4 free stocks. And 2 of those free stocks are when you go ahead and set up an account, and then 2 additional free stocks when you go ahead and deposit at least $100 in your account. But thanks again, guys, for watching. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below, and don't forget to smash that like button. But until next time, I'll see you guys at the next one.